Here's an update on the vintage Camelback drill press. This, I got the quill remade and then I cut all the graduations in it. Yeah, next I've got to put the graduations onto here. I'm just scratching it with a tool carefully, like every second one goes up to that line. And then every other one goes halfway. And I thought, and it's bigger on all the dimensions, so it makes everything tight again. Well, it was tight anyway, but it's real nice, like new now. I've still got to get the ball bearings fit in here. Just like get like 20 ball bearings from the shop. But I got all this cleaned out and put back together. All the crap has been dug out of there. But also too, I've put on the rack for raising and lowering the table. This lowers it here, so when you pull that out, you got to watch out because it'll go flying down. So you got to grab that. But it does work, and I'm quite surprised because the teeth on that rack were perfect. It's got quite a good action on it. I need to make a handle though, but I don't. The handle would be in the way of the belt, so I'm not sure it's going to have to come off. And there was a pin in here, but I drilled it out because it was snapped off. That works quite nicely. And I'm not even sure if that was metric or not, but I've got a 16mm packer there and a 6mm, or probably an 8mm packer on the other side. And that was perfect for that. Yeah, and I did find out what brand it is. It's got the maker's name there. So now just get flat belts made and that should be finished.